The Direct Goods Received Note is a document used to acknowledge provision of goods delivered by suppliers to a business. As opposed to a GRN, a Direct Goods Received Note does not require a purchase order to be referenced in the process. To create a new Direct Goods Received Note using mySky, select the Direct Goods Received Note tab from the Orders and Receiving category through the menu located on the left side of the screen. After selecting it, you will be greeted with the Direct Goods Received Note menu. This menu contains tabs such as Transaction, Details, Remarks, and Attachments. When creating a new Direct Goods Received Note, firstly head to the Transaction tab. The document number will be auto-generated, so there is no need to enter anything for that field. Choose the supplier that you are receiving goods from by either entering the supplier code or by selecting the supplier using the search button. The Supplier Invoice and Remarks fields are optional. Choose the location where the Direct Goods Received Note is being created. Afterwards, select the Details tab located next to the Transaction tab. Using this tab, you can add the goods that are to be delivered by the suppliers. You can either enter the item code or search for the item using the search button provided. After selecting an item, the product description, stock in hand, cost, and selling price are automatically filled out. Then enter the unit quantity to be received and press Enter. The total amounts will be calculated automatically. You can add more products using the green plus button at the bottom left of the page. Using the Remarks tab, you can add any relevant remarks to the document. The Attachment tab allows you to attach any files that might be relevant to the document. Using the Save button, you have the option to save and process the document. By saving the document, you can later retrieve that document using the document number and continue editing the document. After processing the document will be finalized, and you will no longer be able to edit any information. After processing the document, you can print it in either Excel or PDF format.